Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can get your wallet address on Paxful. So there are 4 different coins on here, which is your BTC, your Ethereum, you have your USD Coin and your USDT. I'm going to show you guys how you can get your wallet address for all these cryptos. So all you need to do is just hop on your Paxful like this and you move to your wallet. Just tap on the wallet. So you do the same on a mobile phone if you are using their app. So on here, just tap on the receive. Good, and you can see this is your Bitcoin address, wallet address. You just tap on here to copy it and you're good to go. And you have your USDT. Tap on that. You get it. You have the Ethereum network too here. You copy that as well if you want to opt for this. And for your Ethereum to tap on this like this, and you get your Ethereum address, wallet address. So when someone wants to send you Ethereum, BTC, USDT, just come and copy the address and give it to them and let them send it. Wait for I think 3 to 5 minutes and you're going to see it in your balance, in your Paxful balance. That's it for the video. Very much simple and easy on how to get your address or your wallet address from Paxful. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it. Peace.